desert shores. Who lived this? Alright. What we got? I'm Kathleen and welcome to day 2 of the San Diego trip. Today we are heading out towards the desert to go past the Salton Sea and also to Palm Springs and then back out towards San Diego. So let's head on into this adventure.
The Salton Sea, California's largest lake, sits as a stark reminder of both environmental mismanagement and the unintended consequences of human intervention. Born from a mistake and sustained through controversy, the Salton Sea epitomizes a complex relationship between the natural ecosystems and human activities. Its history, ecological challenges, and the ongoing debates over its future offer a profound case study on environmental science, policy, and ethics. The Salton Sea was accidentally created in 1905 when the Colorado River breached poorly constructed irrigation controls near Yuma, Arizona. Over the course of 2 years, the river's entire volume poured into the Salton Basin, a below sea level depression in California's Colorado Desert, forming the modern Salton Sea. Originally viewed as a fortuitous mistake, the area quickly became a popular resort destination in the 1950s and 1960s, attracting tourists with its promise of fishing, boating, and a glamorous lifestyle reminiscent of seaside glamour. The initial boon from the sea's creation soon gave way to environmental catastrophe. The Salton Sea has no natural outlets, causing it to become increasingly salty as water evaporates but then leaves minerals and salts behind. The salinity, now greater than that of the Pacific Ocean, has led to massive die-offs of fish species that once thrived in its waters. The decomposition of these fish has in turn led to the depleting of oxygen levels and the creation of dead zones where aquatic life cannot survive. Moreover, the sea lies in a region of high agricultural activity. Runoff from farms carries pesticides and fertilizers into the water, exacerbating pollution levels and contributing to harmful algal blooms. These environmental issues have not only decimated local wildlife, but have also posed serious health risks to nearby human populations as toxic dust from the drying seabed is swept into the air.
Welcome to Loves.
Wow.
That's where he fills up in the morning. Welcome to Loves.
Well, we better both go in. I thought it was going to be like an adult place. Godfather Pizza. Loves and Godfather Pizza. Oh my gosh, they have actual churros at a Subway. Oh no, it's not Subway, it's Auntie Anne's. What?
The plight of the Salton Sea is also a story of socio-economic and political neglect. The communities surrounding the Salton Sea bear the brunt of the area's environmental health risks. Efforts to rehabilitate the Salton Sea have been marred by bureaucratic delays and insufficient funding. Restoration proposals have ranged from ambitious to practical, including plans to import seawater from the Gulf of California, create wetlands to help filter pollutants and manage salinity, and even attempts to develop renewable energy projects. Yet progress has been slow and many promises to the local communities remain unfulfilled. The story of the Salton Sea serves as a cautionary tale about the limits of human control over nature and the consequences of environmental neglect. It challenges us to consider how we value and interact with our natural surroundings and highlights the need for sustainable management, practices that balance ecological health with human needs. Looking forward, the fate of the Salton Sea hangs in a delicate balance. It embodies the need for an integrated approach to the environmental management, one that incorporates scientific research, public policy, and community engagement to address both the symptoms and root causes of ecological decline. As we move deeper into the 21st century, the lessons learned from the Salton Sea will undoubtedly inform broader discussions about environmental stewardship and sustainability in an era of rapid ecological change. In conclusion, the Salton Sea is not just a local issue, but a global symbol of the intricate dance between nature and human development. Its past is a history of ambition and oversight, its present is a struggle for survival and justice, and its future is an open question that demands attention, action, and care from all of us.
Okay, we are at Salton Sea, and it stinks. Whew. That was a weird smell. Wow. Welcome to Desert Shores. Pretty landscape. Springs.
Miles.
Yeah. Are you just saying it to tease me? Yeah, because I could saw it right up here. I was reading the signs to see what it was. See there? It's right here. Oh, look at this little lizard. Don't go away, lizard. Damn it. Oh yeah, there's so many lizards. Short wilderness trail. Oh yeah, there's a viewpoint. And here's a viewpoint. Found a garbage can. So nice. That's real pretty. Bird songs. Push to hear Cahuilla bird songs. That's nice. Oh, wow. It is kind of foresty up there. San Bernardino. things
Continue
up
on
the
California
ridge.
79 north for 18 miles.
That's kind of cool. That's the sunset. That's super cool. Wow. Wow.
$10.
I think there's someone just like making this stuff just for fun.
So,
Wow.
about sheet metal.
Wow.
Use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto Front Street. Continue on Front Street for 3/4 of a mile.
Have a margarita.
Continue straight.
And as we conclude this adventure, we look forward to day 3 in our next episode of the San Diego Adventure Tour, where we are heading on over to the San Diego Zoo. I'm so excited and I can't wait for you to join me. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment in the description. Let me know what your thoughts were on the Salton Sea in this episode, and I'll see you in the next.
Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next episode of day 3.